Shantanu and Vrishika, we want to be honest with you both. When you two began your journey as the new Swaran together on 7th January 2013, it was amidst a lot of uncertain as well as huge expectations. It is not hidden from anyone that generally Indian TV viewers have a hard time accepting actors actresses replacement, and when they happen with the character and pair of an already popular show, acceptance is seriously hard. However, you two have together proved to one and all that if there is talent, hard work, good writing, and amazing teamwork, then the audience can and does accept a new face and new pair. It makes wholeheartedly. Thank you to you both for portraying all the possible shades of Swaran we would have wanted to see so effortlessly: pain, aghast, sadness, love, passion, fun, and for being such a spectacular dancing pair, giving us sequences like Yade Alvida and many more that will always have a special place in our memories. A huge thank you also to Palki ma'am for having discovered you both and having introduced you to us. She crafted Swayam, Sharon, Swaran so beautifully, along with all the technicalities, camera crew, editors, directors, and you both performed them so brilliantly that we will always cherish the many memories you have given us from the bottom of our heart. Palki ma'am is and always will be the best creative D3 has seen, and it is because of her too that we are still here. Her spirit, passion, and hard work somewhere connects very deeply with us, and it is reason why Swaran are such a phenomenal and unique love story, no matter how much they may have been tampered with after she left. The foundation she laid before leaving stands stronger than anything else for us, and you two being so close to our heart is proof of that. 1st November 2014 is a day that we will cherish for a long time to come, winning the ITA Viewers Choice Award for Favorite On-Screen Jodi and becoming the first two actors from Channel V to win an award in something we are sure none associated with the D3 will ever forget. You two broke two myths. One, that actor from a small channel can't win awards. Two, that actor replacement doesn't work. You two literally proved to everyone that अगर मेहनत और किस्मत साथ हो तो कुछ भी possible है. And to this I'd like to add, I forgot. Fortune favors prepared mind. Yeah. So there is no kismat ka saath. That's what I'm trying to prove. I'm just kidding. Yeah. We would also like to tell you proudly that the 3 most liked pictures on the official D3 Facebook page in the last 3.5 years are Swayam and Sharon together. 2 from the hospital confession and 1 from Beintiha. Okay. And the most liked individual picture is yours, Shantanu. Also, the Swaran Beintiha sequences was a whooping 250,000 plus views on YouTube, making it most watched Swaran scene ever. Okay. Okay. It has become such a habit to see both of you on our screens in D3 as well as in interviews that getting out of this routine is going to be seriously tough reckoning. But as they say, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, and we hope that life only gets better and brighter for both of you from here on. There is one more thing we wish to see in you both though. Eat more, you both. Be healthy and look your best that way. मैं बहुत खाता हूँ, आपको पता नहीं है. And always remember that we love you for the humble, down-to-earth human being that you are. You too have given us incredible joy and happiness by just being yourself and being a part of our lives Monday to Friday sent on your channel. You have made us smile and cheer up many times, and after a long, tiring day at work and college, please stay in touch with us via Facebook at least. We know you two are not Facebook savvy, but still, Shantanu, come on to your account more often, and Vrishika, reactivate your account.